Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've turned around a losing trade to a winning trade and achieved 11% gain in SPX within 18 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SPX. In this play, I've executed a calendar spread in SPX on 11 January. However, SPX is loaded with rocket fuel, and it surges through the sky with unexpected moves to the upside. With that, I've adjusted the position by rolling it into a higher strike price with a later expiration date. With this adjustment, I managed to turn a losing trade to a winner. The adjusted trade was exited on 29 January. In summary, this is a neutral bearish trade that has initial entry price of $4.20 and final adjusted exit price of $5. Adjustments are required in certain situations to convert losses into profits. A nice 11% gain for this trade within 18 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Initial entry date is 11 January with adjusted exit on 29 January. Initial entry price is $4.20 with adjusted exit price of $5. This trade has achieved a 11% gain within 18 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.